All right, what's up, y'all? So, quick updates on everything that's been going on as far as the flip challenge, how this week went. So, this week was a bumpy week, but it turned out really, really good. Um, so let me show y'all the account. So, we started off with $75. And then we turned that 75 into 150. And then this week we had a USD CHF trade, which we actually ended up closing out early, um, which made us like an additional 30 plus something dollars. We just went ahead and closed that one out. So that's where we're at right now. Account is over 100% growth. This is the $75 account. I'll show you guys the $100 account that we started off with as well. Give me 1 second. So that one has done pretty well as well this week. I did take a small loss on that one. That was kind of due to like being impatient this week. So it's kind of a back and forth type of thing on USD CHF, which the loss should have never even been taken. It's just when you're doing this flip challenge and stuff, guys, it really messes with your discipline, just everything all the way around. So I made some personal mistakes and lost like 300 bucks, and then regained it as well on the last trade that I took on this account, which was a gold trade. So this account started at $100. We are currently at around 1,500. You know what's crazy? 30 minutes ago, let me tell you something. 30 minutes ago, this account was at 1597. I just woke up from a nap. I forgot to remove the limit on UJ, even though we are going to take this trade. So free trade for y'all. But I was going to wait until next week to try to grab a better entry on it. I forgot to fucking delete the limit, bro. And it tagged me in, which is fine. I'll just hold the trade. But because I was going to go for a better entry, I actually wanted to, you know what I'm saying? I could have got like better positions and stuff like that, like towards closer. Like even if it would have been right now, like it still would have been a better position than what I have right now. So, I mean, it's not much, but it still would have been a better position. So pissed on that. But I am about to also make a withdrawal out of this account just to kind of reward myself. This was very fucking stressful week. It was an easy week, a smooth week, but it was just a lot of watching the charts, watching every fucking movement. It was just a lot, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and reward myself. I'm gonna withdraw 497 out of this account now. We've already withdrew 100 out of the account, so we've already got our original investment back. But I am going to go ahead and withdraw 497. 1 second. Hope y'all had a good week, man. I had a pretty solid week. Second, I gotta verify the withdrawal. And then I'm gonna show you guys pretty much just a little insight. I'm gonna share with y'all two trades that I'll be looking at for next week. So give y'all some freebies here. All right, cool. So we have withdrew 497, paid ourselves for some of the stress from this week. We will start off fresh with 1K next week. On this same account, we've already literally active on one of the trades, and y'all literally have the trade here, so y'all can kind of follow along if y'all want for the freebie. With that being said, that's the updates where we are right now. Everything looking good, looking beautiful. One account over 1,000% and the other over 100% growth. So here is USD JPY. This is the trade we're going to be looking to take next week. Again, pissed that I left the limit on this because I could at least got just a little bit of a better trade. It is what it is. But that's USD JPY. We will be looking for a downside move on this next week, as well as I'm going to show you guys the dollar and kind of what I'm looking at on this one. The trade that we are going to be taking secondary next week on this account is going to be GBP USD. You would need to be in the community chat room in order to see that trade, which the link is down below, as well as you guys, if you guys are interested in our broker that we are using to flip these accounts and make this type of money. The link to our broker is down below in the description as well. So DXY, what I was looking for this week was actually for the DXY to go up into this range, take liquidity, and then drop. We could, and we're starting to form a head and shoulders. I don't like head and shoulders patterns just because they're not really accurate as they used to be. I've been trading for like almost 11 years now, and I've been able to see my fair share of things change. And this is one of those things that have changed, and they are just highly inaccurate these days. So anytime I usually see a head and shoulders pattern, I honestly would rather trade the opposite way than trade towards it. To me, it seems like it's more profitable to trade the exact opposite than towards it. It's like 60% chance that it'll fail. So I'd rather go with the 60% than the 40, you know? But it could end up doing that and still giving us that sweep and then dropping. If not, then we'll get a small correction here in the beginning of next week, and then we'll drop from here. So either way, we're looking at a drop overall on the DXY this week. I think that it's probably going to drop early, and we might end up doing something like this. We might drop here, go take the low, then go back up, take the high, then go back down, take the low. The structure could get a little bit more complex, but either way, we'll take it piece by piece, week by week, and I'll keep y'all updated as the market flows. Other than that, man, we had a really good week. Hope y'all had a good week. Hope everybody made some money, man. Let me see. Let me show y'all the chat room. Everybody's been doing pretty well. So here's the chat room with everybody in it that's been following along so far with this round of the challenge. This is everybody just showing some of their results from today and just kind of where their accounts at. But everybody's doing good, man. So people making money, everybody eating. This is the group I've been sharing everything with. You can see everybody showing their results, their growth. We've literally all been eating together. So it's not just me eating by myself. The entire group is eating with me. We're all eating, as you can see. So everybody's lit, everybody's eating. It's a beautiful thing, man. Beautiful thing. So appreciate y'all for tuning in. Hope y'all made some money again. I will be back on Sunday. I'm gonna take me a little mental break. And just kind of relax because this was again a stressful last week. Just doing these challenges, it's just stressful, just a lot mentally. It's like the trading is easy, right? I've gotten to the point where trading is easy, but it's the more so the mental that comes behind it. The high risk, um, just the stress that comes behind that too. It's just a lot, man. Let me show y'all something. I want to show y'all how good my broker is, like how badass my broker is. I just made that withdrawal, and look at that shit. I literally just made the withdrawal. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's already hit my fucking account. Like I can't make this shit up. Boom. It's already hit my account. That's why I love my broker so fucking much, bro. I can't like I get my money quick, pronto, not waiting all day, all like literally got it all while we were on the video. It's crazy, right? So love my broker to death, man. They're really solid. If y'all are interested, again, the link to the broker is down below. Fast withdrawals, solid broker. Never had really an issue with them at all, honestly. Um, so I highly recommend them, guys. As long as I get my money consistently, I'm not having problems with like getting my money out because it's easy to put your money in the broker, but like I don't want no issues getting my money out. I don't want to have to wait 4 or 5 days to get my money out. No, I just made my withdrawal. Um, literally while we were on stream, like I told you, I'm about to go reward myself. I'm actually about to go get a massage and et cetera, et cetera. So I don't have to wait 4 or 5 days to get my massage. No, I'm finna go get my massage now. So that is one of the main reasons that I love my broker is that I get my money pronto. So other than that, man, appreciate y'all. Y'all have a great weekend and I will catch y'all Sunday. Peace.